Hi everyone, James from the Fireplace Factory. I'm in our Knowsley showroom today and I'm here to show you some of our new designs on our panoramic suites. I'm here with 3 of the 4 different design panoramic suites that have been specifically designed to fit the Bespoke Panoramic 700 electric fire. Now these suites, they come in a variety of different sizes, the maximum length being 50 inches, which means it's perfect for the majority of homes, whether you've got a flat wall or a chimney breast to build onto. So I'm going to show you closer some of the features, including centre spotlights, the downlights which we have on a mood control, and also show you what you get with the contents in the fire. And we'll go through these different designs of your MILANO, your ROMA suite, your LAZIO, and also our VERONA.